to start a life with Rod as his wife. Of course, I know this also marks an end of an era. Best man to the rescue. Thank you, best man. Gone will be the days na pagising ko every day. Mainit at masarap na pagkain yung sasalubong sa akin kasi naipagluto na ako ni Mama kahit napuyat pa siya. Ano ba yan? Rehearsal? Okay, inhale. Because that's the kind of mother that she is, always putting her family first and dedicating her life to us. Especially lately, nagme-menopause na actually. Nagme-menopause na si Mama, so she's been having trouble falling asleep. Pero even then, when I wake up, ready na yung diet food ko for the wedding day. Because she really does dedicate her life to us. To Papa, gone are the days as well na I would fall asleep in the couch. And Papa, kahit napagod from work, will always carry me up to my bed and tuck me in. Ikaw nabubuhat sa akin. And I know, Papa, you're also worried about tomorrow ka na sasabihin mo. Exactly. But really, you've lived your life, whole life providing for us and showering us with the kind of love that no words could ever capture. There's no such thing as a perfect marriage, but Mama and Papa's is as close as it gets. Thank you for showing me how beautiful it is to love each other and to have God as the center of your marriage. That I am now very excited to answer the vocation of marriage with Rod. Thank you to my family. I love you all.
Love you too. We love you.
Okay, sige. I'll hand it over to Rod. Pero before that, of course, to my in-laws as well. This is such a fun wedding. Rehearsal pa lang because sobrang laki ng Bahilidad and Dirac clan. We're so happy that everyone is here flying from UK, from US, from Canada, from all over the world just to celebrate our love. I'm very lucky to have Tita Angel, Tita Rod, Lola Emily, and Rigo to have as my second family. Di na second family na talaga as I become a Bahilidad. Sabi nga ni Mama, you guys are an answered prayer for her, for all of us. Bata pa lang ako pinagpipray na ni Mama that I'll get to marry a very kind man, and that's you. And beyond that, sabi kasi ni Mama, you have to be very specific with your prayer. Kaya gina-joke niya earlier, she prayed for good weather in Dumaguete. She forgot about Manila. That it's now flooding in Manila because it was not part of her prayers. But yeah, it has to be specific, and she was really praying for a good family for me, no pangasawahan ko, and that's the miracle, the reality coming through now through Tita Angel, Tita Rod, Lola Emily, and Rico. When I first met the family, pumunta ako sa kanila. Hi, hello, kamustahan lang. Tapos, pagka-uwi, isang buong eco bag, like pink eco bag, yung dala kong pasalubong. Para ako nag-home shopping because they are very generous with all their heart. They've loved me from day one. Our love is yung journey natin is very smooth sailing. We are very blessed to have our parents with us and your parents to be very generous. And they were also our anchor of strength during this whole wedding planning. They know that we've been stressed lately, especially the past few days, kasi medyo crammed. There are some parts that we crammed. But it was our parents who were our anchor of strength and kept us, let us focus on what really matters, which is enjoying this moment with all of our loved ones and enjoying your presence here. We love you so much, family.
Thank you, Bethany. All right. It's